Ellie, I work within the custom made team at Lathams. Today we're going to be talking about our infill panels, what they are and when they're needed. If our stock sizes aren't suitable for your opening, you can purchase an overhead panel which sits between the door frame and the lintel. Our overhead panels are designed to match our doors, removing the need for a wooden alternative. We hold 8 standard sizes on our shelf, ranging from 25mm to 300mm. However, we can custom make these as well if that is required. Our overhead panels are manufactured from 1.5mm steel and they're powder coated to match the colour of your door frame. Our overhead panels come oversized as standard, 1200mm for single doors and 2200mm for double doors. They will require to be cut down on site during your installation. Our overhead panels do also work with our expanding side frames and door sills. For installation guidance on this, please refer to our install video on makeup panels. For applications between 150mm and 1000mm, we can also offer insulated, glazed and louvered infill panels. These can be found on our website underneath frame extensions, trims and sills section. For example, this is one of our glazed side panels that we've made to size, fitted within our 90mm frame. If you have any further questions regarding our overhead panels, please don't hesitate to contact our team who will be happy to assist you.